Hello there. So ChatGPT just released Atlas browser and every QA is asking, is ChatGPT Atlas is good enough to test the websites? Can the manual website testing be replaced by ChatGPT Atlas browser or any other AI browser? So I just tested the same website, same login test cases using manual method and then ChatGPT method, and I find out the results are very shocking. So in this video, I am going to test the login test cases of a website here using this AI assistant of the AI browser. So there is a test login page. We will test the positive and negative test cases. We will enter the username correctly and incorrectly, and then the same for password, and we will see how much time it will take to test this manually, and then how much time this will take to test it automatically using the browser. So I will record another video in which I will explain how we can automate the testing using AI browsers, but this one is just to show you how ChatGPT, Atlas browser, or any other AI browser like Comet browser can help us test the website functionality manually within few seconds. So I just wrote this prompt on this place. Please enter the incorrect username and valid password and click on submit and validate the message here. Then do the same for username correct but incorrect password and click on submit and validate the incorrect validate the message error message, and then we will do the correct username and password and we will click on submit to see if it is logging in and if it is correctly showing the message. So it is also giving us a report. So manually we are doing this manually, we are testing the functionality manually, and then we are creating the report manually, which is taking time. So this creation of prompt will take us only 2 minutes or 1 minute maybe, just to write the steps in English, and we will run it. Once this is executed, you can see that it will just execute the test cases one by one. So this is the code free AI automation testing. It just enter the incorrect username and now you see it is showing the message and it is validating at the backend, and now it is executing the second test case, and it will also execute the third test case for the successful login. Okay, now this will enter the incorrect password and correct username, and message is saying your password is invalid. So second test case is also passed. So all these things can be done in background. So once your scripts are ready, not the scripts actually, it's the English scripts, you can just tell the browser what to do. Now you see this is logged in and the message is appearing successfully. Now it will create a report for us and let's see. So test case 1 and result is good. So test case 2, result is good, validation error message appeared, and test case 3 is also successfully logged in. So all the three test cases passed successfully. So this gave us a report very quickly. Now if we do this manually, what we will do is first we will have to read the name and we will enter the things manually, and we will have to on this screen. In other words, if we use the AI browser to automate this, then we can just run this and we can do anything else. But here we are spending this time here. So username is password. I will enter the incorrect username and then submit. We will validate this and then we will write this somewhere that this is working fine. Then we will write the correct username and we will write the incorrect password, and now this is saying your password is invalid. Now we will have to enter this manually in some report or maybe some Excel sheet. Now we will enter the correct username and password, and let's see. And then we will click on the submit button and we will verify if this is working fine. Now this was the testing, and then if I go to reporting this, we will have to report everything in the Excel sheet or somewhere to tell this test case is expected result is this. But AI is creating these test cases, executing the test cases and creating the report automatically. So for this one, login form submission took 5 minutes actually to understand this, create the test cases and then run. And then AI browser took only 30 seconds to write after just writing the prompt for the first time. Then reporting the finding, report the finding takes 5 minutes when I try to write down everything in an Excel sheet like what was the expected behavior, what is the actual behavior, etc. And AI browser just took 10 seconds to report what was found. So it was very easy to find out if everything passed or not and what is failed. So 10 minutes were taken by manual testing, and in automated testing 2 minutes were taken by writing the prompt, and then only 40 seconds to execute the test case in AI browser, ChatGPT Atlas browser or Comet browser, and then see the report. So this is how AI is emerging. So AI cannot replace the other testing types. For example, if you are doing the usability testing, UI UX testing, or responsiveness testing, you need to do it manually with your human eye. But in case of functionality testing, you need to learn how to automate the test cases and then how to be more productive using AI instead of doing everything manually. So don't worry about that AI will replace the QA engineers. AI will not replace the QA engineers. See my other video in which I have explained why AI cannot replace QA engineers. And also use the AI like ChatGPT browsers, ChatGPT Atlas browser, Comet browser to automate your test cases and be more productive. So now you can see that manual testing is taking more time, and ChatGPT Atlas browser is allowing us to test more in less time and report in less time. So please see my other video of manual testing course, and if everything you understood correctly, then you can start using ChatGPT Atlas browser or any other browser, AI browser to automate the test cases. Please subscribe my channel and let me know if you have any questions. If you want to ask any questions about testing, manual testing and other things, I will start telling about the AI testing tools, and then we will explore all the tools one by one together. So please subscribe my channel and like the video and share with your friends. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.